welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divine Somtochukwu. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you are all my returning subscribers, please definitely click the subscribe button and please like and keep on watching. Today I'm going to be making rice and beans. Gosh, this meal is so delicious. I promise that you are going to love it. Please check the description box below for the full list of ingredients. Let's go. So first of all, I'm going to start off by frying the peppers and the onion. There's this type of jollof rice and beans I want to cook. I've seen this Sisi Yemi, she has a YouTube channel here on YouTube. She made this rice and beans, and I was so happy with the way it came out, so I decided to make mine. So this is a shout out to Sisi Yemi. Thank you so much for sharing this video. You rock. So I'm going to just add the oil and I'm going just to saute this in here. I'm going to fry them, not saute. I'm basically frying them. Then after frying this pepper and the onion, I fry for about, let's say, 3 minutes, or I don't know, 2 minutes is okay depending on your cooker. It's perfect just like this. I feel like I over fried itself, but I love it like this because I wanted to get the flavor and the aroma from the onion, if you understand. Now I'm going to just take that off the heat. Now I'm going to start cooking my beans. Yo. So here is my beans. I've added it to the pot. I'm going to add water, 3 cups of water. I didn't wash the beans now because I'm going to cook it for some time. Then I'm going to pour it away. I'm going to wash it. You will see what I mean in a while. So I just left these beans to cook for 10 minutes. This beans is not that hard. So after 10 minutes, this is what the water is looking like, so black and so colored. So I'm just going to pour that away and I'm going to take it to the sink to go and wash, and I will be right back. Here I've finished washing my beans. It's looking so clean. I'm going to transfer it into the same pot here, and I'm going to add water again. I'm going to cook these beans until it is cooked. Until it is cooked, because the rice I'm using is like already boiled white rice, so it's not hard. So after cooking the beans until it is cooked, I'm going to add my rice. In case you're wondering, this rice is the rice that I cooked the day before, and it was remaining, and I don't want to eat ordinary rice, only rice, so I decided to just make it into rice and beans. After adding the rice in the beans, I'm going to season with some thyme, seasoning powder. I added ginger as well, ginger powder. I'm going to add some rosemary. I don't have bay leaf. If you have bay leaf, you can use it instead of rosemary. Then I'm going to add some salt. I added another spice that is all-purpose spices. It has like a combination of every other spices. And then for my best part, this is the pepper and onion, that we fried onion. You get it right? Then I'm just going to add the pepper and the onion. This rice is the heat is on. The heat is not completely off. It's just on because this is rice and beans, and the heat needs to be low unless it's going to end up burning. Then after adding the pepper and the onion, I'm just going to stir above, just a little bit above like this. Don't stir to the bottom of the pot, just above the rice. Yes, just like this. Then after that, I covered this and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is what it is looking like. It is already cooked. Yeah. So after that, I'm just going to keep stirring this right now. I'm going to stir to the bottom of the pot just to make sure that everything is well incorporated, if you understand what I mean. This rice was super delicious, and I definitely love the way it turns out. I know that yours is going to be much better than me, so don't forget to tag me on all social media when you do recreate it, and don't forget to tag Yemisi on Instagram as well. I love you all so much. Please don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.